Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix blurry text font in window. Okay, so let me start with the video. So first we need to go in advanced setting. Okay, search here in search bar, view advanced setting, view advanced setting systems. Okay, just click on it, and under this advanced tab we need to go in under the performance settings. Here we need to click that adjust the best appearance and just click apply. Okay. Now we can go to the display setting, search for display settings. Okay, and here you can see the scale options. Just make it 100%, and here the display resolution also you can make maximum, okay, or recommend it. Just select that. Now we need to go here in clear text setting. Here you can see adjust clear type setting. You need to just type here adjust clear type setting, just open that. Okay, make sure it is turned on, and you need to just click on next. Here the window, just select here the click the text sample that looks best for you. You need to select your text sample. Okay, then next, then select next. Okay, now just click finish. So, and the last option, go to the device manager, search for the device manager, and here go to the display adapter, expand it, and okay, so just go to the display adapter, expand it, and just select your driver. So I have here Intel graphic driver and the Microsoft basic driver. So just select that your main drivers and just right click on it and make update drivers. You can select that first option, automatically search for drivers. Okay, and my drivers up to date. So if you find any update in your driver, so it will be start updating here. And second option, you can browse for computer driver. Okay, and just okay, it is also up to date. Now close. Now you need to restart your PC, then your blur text font will be fixed. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.